Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find out live publishable key and live secret key in Stripe account, so you can use both key in your WordPress website, PHP or HTML website for payment gateway for Stripe. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Stripe dashboard, and then you see a lot of option. On left side you see developer, so click on it. Again you see multiple option. Now you see API keys, so click on it. So we are in API key section, and then you see standard key. Now you see name token, and then you see publishable key. So you can copy this key and then you can paste in your website for Stripe payment gateway. And then you see secret key, so this is our live mode. Now you see the reveal live key, so click on it, and then you see this key can only be revealed once to keep your account secure. If you lost it, you must rotate the key or create another one. So click on reveal, and then you will see secret key. So you can add both live publishable key and secret key in your website for Stripe payment gateway, and after that your website will accept payment from Stripe payment gateway. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.